Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel guys. So guys, everyone making a YouTube channel videos and a website. In this website views are YouTube views and subscribers. How will be increase? So in this purpose, how we can optimize your traffic from Facebook story option. So you can create the Facebook page option. So how we can reaching the audience on your website link and your particular YouTube channel. That is the purpose. The create option name is called Facebook story. So how we can use it for Facebook story. So when you open your Facebook profile, a lot of people are posting the story. But in a Facebook business page, complete different by the your particular story option. That will be generating for your website traffic and the YouTube channel traffic and subscribers. First of all, go to Creator Studio. So what are the page you handling? All pages will be there into the particular option. Select option will be add story. After selecting your Facebook business page option, in this Facebook business page, add your photo will be here. So I'm adding the photo. Here, add the button option. The button nothing but learn more. The every option will be here. See more, shop now, book now, get direction. In this call button is not accepted. Here click for learn more option. We can give to the your generating for YouTube subscriber purpose. How they help I'll show you. Add the story option. The story visible by your Facebook profile option. So that will be show to the customers the page liking purpose to know more about your channel purpose. So that all will be adding the in a particular option. Which one? Your Facebook story option. Now will be click here the story. When you click for learn more, they go to your particular channel option. Now there will be option will give by the subscribe. So my channel I can't go with the subscribe now. So that is a major option. So same like that, you can promoting for your website link also. Same, click, add the story. This a future will be give only for Facebook business page persons, not for the profiles. You can add the status from the story by your particular options there. But we have to learn more. The give button will be given only for Facebook page option. This future will be help to getting for more traffic on the particular status on Facebook, people reaching for more, getting for website traffic and YouTube channel traffic. So how many images you can upload? They click here, they go to my website. These are the options they can give on the Facebook story option. So that is a method most of the persons they using the stories only on the Facebook business page. They expose their videos, they expose their images. The finally destination will be called get your website and YouTube channel. So clear guys, I'll show one more option. Select add story, add your page. Here text also there, an image. Select your image and in this image select here when I'm adding link time, question mark sub underscore confirmation is equal 1. Why we can adding this one? Any new user click for learn more option. The show option name is called to subscribe our channel to watch our videos. So that is the reason we can give after channel ending question mark confirmation underscore is equal 1. So this is mean by sub underscore confirmation is equal to 1. That mean by user coming to your page, they will be click on the particular option to users. They directly go to your particular channel. They click as a subscribe your channel option. So you can click the subscribe and people will go to the your videos. That mean by two benefit that people watch your entire channel videos. Second thing will be they subscribe your channel based on the interest. First of all, your attracting post is more important for your YouTube channel images are updating on the Facebook story option. Facebook story on page, they will be help website traffic and YouTube channel traffic and views and subscribers. Don't forget to follow this option every Facebook page, increase your stories and along with your link, update on your particular post option. So these small things all will be support and you're getting for traffic. So if any further doubts, you can ask me anytime. I will support you. For the any question about the social media, ask me. I'll give the support will be in YouTube regarding and Facebook and social media SEO. I'll upload the video onto my channel. Which language you're comfortable, ask me. I definitely upload the video on my YouTube channel in any languages. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.